You're probably spending hours studying, sacrificing your free time, only to feel like you've gotten nowhere. Meanwhile, there's always that one friend who crams the night before, barely opens their book, and still scores better than you. Sound familiar? Frustrating, right? Here's the truth. The problem isn't you, it's the way you're studying. Most people are stuck using outdated, time-wasting techniques that don't work. But today, I'm here to change that. In this video, I'm breaking down 7 powerful strategies to study smarter, not harder. By the end, you'll know how to cut your study time in half, retain more information, and still have time for the things you love. These are proven techniques that anyone can use, and trust me, they work. So let's dive in. Step 1, stop studying everything. Here's the hard truth. Studying everything is one of the dumbest mistakes you can make. Exams are predictable. 80% of the questions come from just 20% of the material. That's called the Pareto principle, and it's a game changer. Here's how to use it. Start by identifying the high-yield topics, the stuff that comes up on tests every single time. Review lecture slides, listen for the topics your professor repeats, and study past exams. These are your priorities. Instead of reading the whole textbook, go straight to the summaries, practice problems, or highlighted sections. Focus your energy on what really matters and skip the fluff. You'll save hours and still crush the test. What's the one topic you're focusing on for your next test? Drop it in the comments. I want to hear what's at the top of your list. Step 2. Use a timer to boost. Focus, be honest. How much time do you waste while studying? You sit there for hours, but half that time is spent scrolling on your phone or staring blankly at your notes. That's because you're giving yourself too much time. Parkinson's law says that work expands to fill the time you give it. The solution? Use a timer. Break your study sessions into 25-minute blocks with a 5-minute break in between. This is called the Pomodoro technique, and it's a productivity hack that forces your brain to focus. When you set a countdown, your brain registers urgency, and suddenly, you're in full focus mode. Studies show timers help people finish tasks faster and with better accuracy. Just don't make your sessions too long. You'll burn out. Start small and build up. Step 3. Ditch the sweets. Fuel your brain. If your study snacks are sugary energy drinks and candy, you're sabotaging yourself. Sure, sugar gives you a quick energy spike, but that's followed by a crash, leaving you foggy and unfocused. Here's the fix. Switch to brain foods like nuts, berries, fish, or even dark chocolate. These are packed with nutrients that improve memory, concentration, and mental stamina. Think of it this way. You wouldn't fill a race car with low-quality fuel, so why would you do that to your brain? Upgrade your snacks and watch how much sharper and more focused you feel during study sessions. Step 4. Study your mistakes. First, if you're not reviewing your past mistakes, you're wasting time. Seriously, how many times have you lost marks for the same dumb error you made before? Here's what you do. Keep a dedicated notebook or digital list of every mistake you've made, whether it's from practice tests, assignments, or quizzes. Before your next study session, go over those mistakes first. By focusing on what you got wrong, you'll not only fix your weaknesses, but also lock that information into your memory. Plus, it's way more efficient than mindlessly reviewing the stuff you already know. Step 5. Ask the right questions. One of the smartest ways to study is to start with the answers. Go straight to the practice questions, quizzes, or tests at the end of your chapters. These are usually where the most important material is concentrated. By working backward from the answers, you will quickly identify the key concepts you need to know. Exams are often repetitive, so understanding these patterns will help you prepare for what's coming. The bonus? You'll save time by skipping unnecessary details and focusing on what actually matters. Step 6. Change your mindset. Let's be real. If you sit down to study thinking, this is going to take forever, then guess what? It will. Your brain listens to your mindset, and if you're feeding it negativity, your focus and motivation will tank. But here's the twist. Harvard researchers found that when people believe something is manageable, they perform better. So, instead of dreading your study session, reframe your mindset. Tell yourself, I'll get through this quickly. Or, this material is easy, I've got this. You'll trick your brain into focusing better and make the process way less painful. Mindset isn't just motivational fluff. It's a legit strategy for better results. Step 7. Use AI to study smarter. Technology is your secret weapon. Tools like ChatGPT, Quizlet, or other AI platforms can create summaries, answer complex questions, and even generate custom quizzes for you to practice with. But don't stop there. AI can help you in ways you might not have considered. For example, simplify complex topics. If a concept feels overwhelming, ask AI to explain it at different difficulty levels. Start with, "Explain this like I'm 10, then build up to more advanced explanations. Generate study plans. Feed your syllabus into an AI tool and ask for a customized study schedule that aligns with your exam dates. It'll break down the material into manageable chunks. Test your knowledge. Instead of passively reading notes, ask AI to quiz you or create multiple choice questions for topics you struggle with. ActiveRecall is one of the most effective ways to learn. Pro tip: combine AI tools with traditional study methods. For example, use AI to identify weak spots, then practice those areas with physical flashcards or problem sets. The balance of tech and hands-on study will give you the best results. What's one way you'd like to use AI to make studying easier? Drop your ideas in the comments. I'd love to hear them. So, there you have it. 7 proven ways to study smarter, not harder. But here's the thing. The magic happens when you combine these strategies. Imagine setting a timer, focusing only on high-yield topics, eating brain-boosting snacks, and using AI to streamline your study process. These tips aren't just powerful on their own, they're unstoppable when used together. Bonus insights: common mistakes to avoid. Before we wrap up, let's talk about the mistakes you might be making without realizing it. Fixing these could make an even bigger impact on your study success. Highlighting everything. It feels productive, but it's not. Highlight only key phrases or concepts, otherwise your notes will become a sea of yellow and your brain will tune it all out. Studying too long without breaks. Marathon sessions lead to burnout. Use the Pomodoro technique or switch tasks every hour to keep your brain fresh. Passive reading. Simply rereading your notes isn't enough. Engage actively. Quiz yourself, summarize in your own words, or create mind maps to connect ideas. Starting without a plan. If you don't know exactly what you're studying, you'll waste time figuring it out mid-session. Write down your goals before you start. By avoiding these mistakes, you'll make sure all the effort you're putting in actually pays off. Now it's your turn. Which of these 7 strategies are you going to start with? Maybe it's using a timer, leveraging AI, or cutting out distractions in your environment. Pick just one and start applying it today. You'll see results faster than you think. And hey, if you want to keep leveling up, don't forget to hit subscribe and turn on notifications for more tips like these every week. Oh, and before you go, check out the video on the screen right now. It's packed with even more strategies to boost your productivity and crush your goals. Let's make studying easier and way more effective. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.